sharing my hectic Good Friday schedule.
Hi, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Today, let me show you something. It's 18th of April 2025 and it's around 12:30 AM মানে রাত 12:30 আর এখন আমি কি করছি আজকে আমার একটা শ্যুট করার ছিল রেসিপি শ্যুট করার ছিল জামাই ষষ্ঠী স্পেশাল তো after the shoot I have to do the voiceover and editing, so at late night I'm doing it. Usually I don't do the daily vlog, but today the day is going to be hectic and at the same time fun, so I thought to share a day with me, so stay tuned. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. now, so I will have this detox tea instead of detox water. So that haldi detox water I already shared the recipe, so this is how I have it, because I cannot have this raw. If I just add a normal water and have it, I have the acidity problem, so I just pour it, add it in this green tea, normal green tea, and so after that I can have it. So I will show you what I will do today. It's 8 a.m. and time for some work. Um, Whatever I did the shoot yesterday, now I have to transfer it, and then I have to get ready because I'm going to go for a movie. And I will go to South City. I was supposed to go to Lake Mall also, but I have pain, back pain and shoulder pain from yesterday. I had an accident a couple of days back, so I cannot go to that Lake Mall.
As it was Good Friday, my father's demand was luchi and shada aloo tarkari, so that was the breakfast.
18th April and finally it's 9:30 a.m. and by the way this is Good Friday, so let's see what is good waiting for me. And right now I'm going to South City Mall Inox. I'm going to watch the movie, that is Kesari 2, and I hope I don't have to show my ID card because this is the A-rated movie, as because the Jallianwala Bagh. I don't want to be a spoiler. So let's see, I'm going for the movie, and I have lots of pain from yesterday, that's why I have to wear the belt, and I cannot go to the Lake Mall today, so bye. 9:40 a.m. reached Inox, and not Inox, actually South City, so I'm going towards Inox.
I did not do any advance booking. Finally, I went to South City Mall Inox. It was a great experience. And one more thing, whenever I went for a movie, I always switch off my mobile inside the hall.
It's 12:30 uh, and Kesari movie is done. Seriously, of course I cry if I can see this kind of movie, but to my surprise, two or three guys were there, even they are also crying. That is the first time I have seen uh, that the movie is so touchy. We cannot hold back that Jallianwala Bagh we have seen, but not seen. We all read about this in history book or in internet, but after this movie, I think people will research about Mr. Nair, the advocate, and uh, I have nothing to say. Seriously, it's a must-watch movie. If you like history, if you want to know the history, definitely you should go for this movie. It's really good, brilliant.
After movie, lunch from KFC.
So after a long time, KFC lunch bowl. I have rice, chicken rice, and cold drinks.
The lunch bowl was good, but the problem is there they told me in the South City Mall that I have to buy a large bowl from the kiosk, or else for the medium or small I have to pay through UPI from the self-service kiosk. So I sent the complaint to the KFC through Instagram, because in other outlet there is no such rule. So they told me they will talk to me.
So lunch is is done, and now I have to go to Spencer, South City Mall, Spencer, because I have to buy certain thing for my cooking, and then I will go back to home. I really feel very sleepy, but the movie was good, the food was good, and then I'll go back to home. And I had so much pain I couldn't go for the morning walk today, so I missed my morning walk, doggo's buddy.
The Spencer shopping started. There was good offers going on for this mustard oil, soybean oil, so I was buying that. And after that, I bought this live pak choy or bok choy, and I had the McFlurry from McDonald's. It was really yummy. This is the first time I was trying this McFlurry ice cream, the Oreo one.
Good Friday was really good for me, and the day is over. I'll go back to home, and I need some rest. So the end was good with ice cream McFlurry from McDonald's. I tried that. I heard about that, and I have seen so many people are eating that. So today I thought to try. Yes, it is good. The good thing is that by mistake I choose the choco crunchies, but then I saw the Oreo, so I asked to the desk, in the counter, that if I can change it to Oreo, if it's possible. So they said, yeah, okay. So that was a happy time. So that was the update. Every day I cannot give the daily vlog, and that is not interesting. Today I thought it's a little bit interesting, that's why I thought to share. Otherwise, every day what I'm doing, just wake up and then work, and then do the household work. So that is not the thing I want to share. That is something should be very personal. But this one, everybody wants to know. Even my close friends, they sometimes wants to know that how I prepare myself and how manage to do everything within 24 hours. So this is a glance of a day. It was a hectic day. Thankfully I don't have to go to Lake Mall, otherwise I have to Lake Mall and Gadiahat. Tomorrow I will do it, otherwise it will be very hectic for me, or as because I have the pain. So that's it from Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can check little that shorts and reels, not that dancing reels, but informative reels in Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram, and then you can find me in Google, Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen, and obviously the YouTube channel is here. So signing off today, a bit tired. South City is always close to my heart. I just feel very energized when I come to this place. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you something, that on Monday there will be a very different, easy and tasty recipes coming. Do check that. And that is a diet recipe also. You can call it a diet recipe, you can call it an evening snack, you can call it cheat diet, whatever you want to say. So stay tuned to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Thank you.
And this is my South City buddy for the past 3 years.
Look who is there. That is my favorite Billo. I am going to disturb him. He doesn't mind actually. তুই বসে আছিস? এতদিন কোথায় ছিলি? কোথায় ছিলি? শুয়ে পড়ো। আচ্ছা, শোবে না, আজকে বসেই থাকবে। টাকা টাকা আইসক্রিম খেয়েছি। আয়, কি চাস? কি চাস? কি চাস? কি চাস? বস, বসো, বসো, বসো। পোটলা পছন্দ। কি করতে চাও তুমি? এটা কি? এটা কি? এটা কি? এটা কি? এটা কি? এটা কি? কি এটা? কি কি? কি এটা কি?
So that was my Good Friday, ended with my favorite cat, favorite doggos. So do let me know how was your Good Friday this year.